Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to install CapCut on PC. So I went to Google and wrote CapCut desktop, but you can just come here. I'm going to put the link on the description below and click download for free. Let's click here. Once you click it, it's gonna start downloading. It just downloaded, so we're just going to open it now and select yes. Then CapCut will start downloading in the background and installing at the same time. We just have to wait now. Okay, it's progressing. Okay, it is now opening. It says your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Let's click confirm. You have to agree and continue. And then you have the project here now. CapCut is taking some time to load. So this is how you install CapCut on Windows. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.